Tesla Giga Shanghai just built its 5 millionth battery pack. Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory has reached a major production milestone, with its 5 millionth battery pack rolling off the line this week. The achievement highlights Giga Shanghai's role as the automaker's highest volume manufacturing complex and primary vehicle export hub. Giga Shanghai's new milestone. Tesla announced the milestone on X and Weibo, sharing images from the facility where the 5 millionth pack was completed. Images showed the Giga Shanghai team posing for a commemorative photo with the facility's 5 millionth battery pack. Several of the company's executives congratulated the Tesla China team for its recent milestone, including SVP Tom Zhu, who wrote "Power Up Team." In a post on X, while Tesla designs and assembles its battery packs in China, the cells themselves are supplied by local partner CATL and South Korea's LG Energy Solution, as noted in a CNEV post report. Tesla China has stated that its pack safety standards exceed industry norms several times over, with longevity engineered to outlast vehicle lifespans. Giga Shanghai's growing role. Construction of Giga Shanghai began in early 2019, becoming China's first wholly foreign-owned auto manufacturing facility. Giga Shanghai's first phase was completed within the year, producing Model 3 sedans by the end of 2019. It now produces both Model 3 sedans and Model Y SUVs for domestic and export markets, with an annual capacity approaching 1 million vehicles. Despite the record-setting battery milestone, Tesla China's recent domestic results left a lot to be desired. As per the China Passenger Car Association, Tesla's retail sales in October dropped 36% year-over-year to 26,006 units, the lowest since late 2022. Analysts attributed the decline to Giga Shanghai's focus on exports last month, as well as the ramp of compelling rivals like the Xiaomi YU7. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.